This is RBP Construction from Oregon. We've been talking with the homeowner for like 2 years, and he's been working with the city for that long, and finally the paperwork got approved. And he called me and said, Ruben, we're ready, let's do something. We got together and look, now we're here. We're pouring concrete today here in this beautiful scenario. Surrounded by trees. This place is amazing. Last week my guys did the excavation, and then they did the forming. Yesterday inspection was passed, and today we're pouring some concrete. This is beautiful here. This is fun. This is great. Fresh air, as long as it doesn't rain, which look at the sky. I think we're in good shape. So we're gonna keep pouring some concrete. We had a little bit difficulties because the hose got plugged, but they got it fixed. Now we're in the move. So we're gonna be doing a shop. We're gonna do a garage behind their main house of the homeowner. Pretty soon will be the framing, the roof, the siding,